Do you want to receive a payment for more than $200 and then another payment for $300? And you can repeat this process as often as you like? This is quite easy, and even someone with no prior experience shouldn't have any trouble doing it. In fact, this is offered at zero cost. This possibility is open to people from all over the world and in every nation on the planet. Now, in this short video, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account, and I'll walk you through the process step by step on how to do this. Also, at the end of this video, I'll literally give you a trick as a bonus, so you can start earning money as soon as today. So make sure that you watch the entire video all the way through to the very end so that you do not overlook any necessary steps. Hey, welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to earn $200 just by writing reviews on this website that I will be sharing with you. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. Now, in this video, I'll show you a website called Capterra, where you can quickly earn a lot of money. You can just go to capterra.com from now on before you leave this video or skip any part of it. Here's a warning. I want to warn you about two things. Okay, first of all, it's a little hard to sign up for this site. You have to follow literally 3 steps. 2, you should keep watching this video because at the end, I'll show you a trick that you can copy exactly. First though, let me show you how it works. Okay, now basically, if you go to capterra.com, they will pay you real cash money just by writing simple reviews of different software. So on this site, you can write a simple review of tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, of different pieces of software. You can get paid for every review you write, even if it's just a simple review. Don't worry because you don't need technical skills, experience, money, or good English. In this video, I'll show you how to do everything step by step. You can do this from pretty much anywhere in the world. In fact, if you watch this video, I'll show you how to copy and paste the whole review and start making money right away. So let's start writing a review right away without wasting any more time. I'll show you step by step. First, I want you to go to the homepage of Capterra and click on the drop-down menu to find the Write a Review option. That will take you to a page where you can search for any products, companies, or software that you want to review or not. You can also see that they will suggest some popular software for you to review. So in this video, I'll give you a special bonus tip. Focus on PowerPoint because it's easy and simple, and I'll show you a whole template that you can copy and paste. So right now, I want you to type in the word PowerPoint and click the search button. Then when you scroll down, you should look for a link that says PowerPoint by Microsoft. Click on it and voila! You'll be taken to a page where you can easily write a review for PowerPoint. Again, you can do this on your phone or your computer. You can do this in less than 2 minutes and make $10. So this is actually just step 1. There are a total of 3 steps in this video. I'll show you everything step by step, so make sure to watch until the end and stay tuned for the bonus I'll give you at the end of this video. So let's start with the first part of step 1. Fill in some personal information. So just put in your first name, your last name, your email address, and for the job title, which is important. So from now on, you're going to do everything I tell you to do. Now, for the job title, I want you to put freelancer. This is very important because if you don't have a job title, they won't accept your review and you won't get paid. So from there, you can just put self-employed for the company name. And for the industry, if you're working right now, and you can choose any industry you're working in. If not, you can just put computer software since you'll be writing a review for a software. Again, you don't need to have any experience. And for the company size, just pick myself only since, you work for yourself. How long have you been using this software and how? Now, another important thing to know is that you can see a free trial, less than 6 months or more than a year if you click on the options. Now, if you choose a free trial, you won't get paid. So it's important to choose at least minimum 6 to 12 months so they know you've used the software yourself for a while. So the second part of this step is to ask you how often you use this software. I'd like you to pick one at least once a week. Lastly, what do you do when you use this software? Make sure to choose I am a user because you want to be the one using the software. If they approve your review, you can make money. So, if you're still watching right now, you did a great job, and that's how you finish step number 1. So before I continue this video, I just want to know if you're interested in having a side hustle like this. You know what, let me know in the comment section below so that we can talk about it. So if you want to keep going, just click the next button. So you'll move on to step number 2. So basically on this step, they want you to rate the software you're using right now by how many stars you give it. You can just pick whatever you want to read and read it. It's a very simple step that only takes a few clicks. Now, they want you to give a rating for a few things. For example, how does PowerPoint compare in terms of overall quality, customer service, pricing, and how likely are you to recommend it to a friend or coworker? This is something you can do in less than 10 seconds. So, you'll just click on the next button to move on to the last step, which is step number 3. Now, this is very important because this is where a lot of people fail to make money on this website because they don't really know how to write one. So you can see here that you can give your review a title. You're going to write about the software's pros and cons, or what you like best about it and what you don't like. After that, you still have to write about your overall experience with PowerPoint, and there are many things to write on this step. Many people are shocked and don't know what to do next. I want you to keep watching this video because of this. Now, you can earn $10 by writing a review of a PowerPoint presentation which takes less than 2 minutes. It's insane! And by using this exact method, you can make $2 per minute and get paid over and over again. Now, you just need to tell them what you liked and didn't like about this software and how it worked overall. And you can just copy and paste the answer into your review. This is really important because you want your first few reviews to be accepted. If they are, they'll keep sending you more reviews to do and you can keep making money. Now, for many new users, if their first submission isn't accepted, they won't get any more reviews in the future. But if you use this trick I'll show you, you can get approved and get paid as soon as today, which is 24 hours from now. Now, I want you to go to Capterra to see what other people have said about PowerPoint. You can just scroll down and find reviews from hundreds of thousands of people about PowerPoint. You can look at reviews that tell you both the pros and cons. That is the real review that people who leave reviews and make a lot of money have written. And what else? You can go to this website and read tens of thousands of reviews written by people who are already making money. This will give you ideas for how you to write your own review. And you can even copy some of the sentences. You can use them as a guide, copy and paste, or you can also add your own twists and thoughts. And that is the strategy I want to share with you so you can get a lot of ideas and inspiration for how to get and write a review. So now that you know all of this information, are you ready to earn more with this? Comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Click subscribe and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!